Hello Professor, my name is Gautam and I will be explaining the problem 1 of the homework 2. Now it is given that the customer flow at a grocery store follows a Poisson process with the formula e raised to minus lambda t into lambda t to the power k upon k factorial. It is also given that the probability that at least one customer arrives in 2 minutes is equal to zero point 0.3. For the first part we have to find the value of lambda. Now the probability that at least one customer arrives in 2 minutes can be given by 1 minus probability that no customer arrives in 2 minutes. Now then we can get the probability that no customer arrives in 2 minutes is 1 minus 0.3, that is equal to 0.7. Now if you put the value 0.7 here in this equation, we can find the value of lambda, that is e raised to minus 2. If you substitute the values, we get this e raised to minus 2 lambda is equal to 0.7. While taking natural log on both sides, we get lambda is equal to 0.178. Now we have to find the probability that at least two customers arrive in 10 minutes. Now the probability that at least two customers arrive in 10 minutes is given by 1 minus the probability that exactly 0 customers arrive in 10 minutes plus the probability that exactly one customer arrives in 10 minutes. Therefore, the probability that exactly 0 customers arrive in the interval 0 to 10, we can find it out by putting the value that of k equal to 0 here in the equation. We get the value as 0.1686. Now the probability that exactly one customer arrives in 0 to 10 is, that is k equal to 1 in the equation, and we get the value as 0.300. Now therefore the probability that exactly two customer arrive in 10 minutes can be given by 1 minus summation of 0.300 plus 0.1686. Therefore we get the value as 0.5314. Now we have to find the probability that in 1 minute exactly one customer will arrive, that is t is equal to 1 and k is also equal to 1. Therefore exactly one customer arrives in 0 to 1, we put the value as t equal to 1 and k equal to 1, we get the value as 0.1489. Now the probability for the D part, we have to find the probability that in 3 minutes no customer arrives, that is t is equal to 3 and k equal to 0. Therefore we put the values and we get the answer as 0.586.